Hello, it's Mrs. Aristotle here, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to download attachments from your email and save it to your computer and also save it to your OneDrive. Now your OneDrive is like having a USB that lives in the cloud. It's very exciting and I hope that you follow my tips and start using these new habits. So let's have a look at this email I've got on the screen. If I'm just looking at the email to start with, I can see that I've got some attachments on there. So it looks like a PDF here, there's a PowerPoint there, and it looks like a picture of some sort there of apple and cinnamon muffins. Now, if I counted that, I can see 3 attachments. So 1, 2, 3. But actually, there is 4 attachments on this email. And the reason I know that is because just underneath where the attachments are is a little instructional note that says show all 4 attachments, and it has the number 4, which means that there is more attachments to this email that I just can't see. So to view all of the attachments, click on this little arrow that points down, and voila, there we have it. There's the 4th attachment. Now be careful of this, because if you're just looking through your emails, you might download the ones that you can see, and that might just be 1 or 2, but you might in fact have a lot more on the email that you're missing. Now to download those attachments, what you can do is you can download them individually. So you go to the one that you want and hit this little download button. That will download that attachment to your computer as a local file. Or what you can do is come down to the bottom, and next to that tab we were talking about before, there's an option that says download all. If you click the download all button, it's going to download all of the files that are attached to this email into a zip folder, and you will need to extract the zip folder again from your computer. Now if we keep moving along over here, you have a third option. This third option is to save all of your files onto your OneDrive account. Now this is where I get excited. I really hope that you start using your OneDrive. So where is your OneDrive, do you ask? Well, if you have a look up in the top left-hand corner of your email, you'll see your app launcher. That's those 9 little dots. If you click on that, it brings up all of your apps. So right now we're in Outlook, but right next to that is a little cloud called OneDrive. And OneDrive is like having a USB that you're never going to lose. Okay, if your computer breaks down or dies or you lose it, then unless you have a backup somewhere, then you're going to lose all of the files. Same with your USB. If you lose your USB, you'll lose all of your files. Whereas in OneDrive, it's going to save it and back it up to the cloud. Now, of course, I always encourage you to have a second backup, but for the purpose of staying organized and creating good habits at school, using your OneDrive to save all of your files is the best place for you. So have a look at the YouTube channel or our e-learning channels on ClickView and go to the space that talks all about OneDrive to learn more. So that's how you download attachments from your email. I hope this helps.